Recycled glass. Recycled glass. Has green/blue tint. Product dimensions, 8.5 by 5. Just outside the crowded city of Bogota, Colombia, there are still patches of the old city. There, in a small family-owned glass factory, a group of talented glass blowers create handmade works of art. These are free-form pieces, not made from molds, but wonderful organic shapes that are thick and hefty. Best of all, the glass is recycled from old windows, automobile glass, and all sorts of bottles. Each design is one of a kind, and yes, as always, you can count on unique variations in each piece. For after all, this is no ordinary piece of glass. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy. Beautiful. This carafe and glass are absolutely beautiful and I instantly loved it. However, one day while taking the top glass off to take a drink, I dropped the glass. I was already crying inside and panicked, instantly distraught. In that split second I already saw the glass shards all over my hardwood floor. Imagine my surprise and elation when I picked the glass up in perfect condition. Not even a crack. I think I will order more this coming Christmas for gifts. So happy with this purchase.